Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure having you here. Today is the 29th of June, and of course, the first half of the year 2022 is fast coming to an end. This is just a quick trade idea on the Euro USD major currency pair. From what we have right in front of us, I'm just going to do some markings over here. From what we have right in front of us, you should be able to see some little form of resistance, some little support, resistance, some little resistance, support, and then we have some acts of resistance here. So based on what we have over here, I'm looking forward to a sell position, especially as this week already started. We already had this bearish move here. It's best for us to follow the fresh wave. So I would prefer a proper pullback to this same area here, and then with good enough price action for confirmation, right? It could be the bearish hammer, or also known as the bearish pin bar, or it could be any of the bearish engulfings or whatever confirmation you're looking out for based on price action, right? So look forward to selling here and then taking it back to these lows over here. So these lows here will be the first point of TP, where we have support here, resistance, some little support here, and some little resistance here, as you can see. So this will be the first area of TP, and then hopefully maybe we could even take it back to these lows over here. At the end of the day, everything is right in front of you on the chart. We have some support here, support here, support here, support here. And then also just for you to take note of, based on the fundamentals, we have the ECB President Lagarde, who will be on the wires later by 2 p.m. UK time. That is about 4 hours from now. So pay attention, as we might as well have some volatility that will be introduced to the market at that point in time. But for now, I need one more push. If we can get it, fine. And if we don't get it, then no problem. It's always good for your trades to be clinical as possible. You need to be trading like a sniper and not using an AK and just shooting so many bullets here and there, right? Because of course, you know, this would also work negatively on a trader with respect to the psychology. So let's wait and see whether we can get another push higher to this area. And then don't forget, it's always good for you to have that confirmation. If not, I would have just simply be setting a pending order to sell over here. But that is not how I look at the market. I like the market to react to that level, and then I could now place my trade accordingly. So thank you guys, has indeed been a pleasure. I want to say, if you have any question, feel free to ask. And of course, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and of course subscribe if you are not yet to do so. All right, so we'll be doing as much videos as possible, probably on a daily basis. We'll be analyzing the market. I'll be giving you educational videos, also be giving you tips and tricks. Yesterday, you can watch the previous video from yesterday where we talked about my morning routine as a Forex trader, how to set alerts, how to set my support and resistance levels and all, right? Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Trade safely. Goodbye and God bless. Cheers.